guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bit of a different video. I'm going to be doing a review. Now I have not done a review in a really long time, like it's been a few years. So I'm going to be reviewing my favorite app. And I have mentioned this before. I'm going to be talking about my favorite app episodes. Now I love episodes. And just a big disclaimer, they're not paying me to say this at all. I just genuinely love their app. I do. I love it. It's like at the top row of my phone right there. And it's free to download. It is so good. Like, it is amazing. It's so good. Oh my god. I love it. I just love it. So I'm gonna go in. So when you open up the phone, this is what it looks like. And then you get a whole bunch of, oh, it's loading, sorry, it's loading again. Alright. So you get a whole bunch of titles for games, a different story. So they're doing a Pitch Perfect one at the moment. They're doing, oh, this one is called Crush on Mr. Bad Boy. I started reading this one. It was good. So my favorites that I'm currently reading are, I'm reading, let's see, what am I reading at the moment? So my favorites are this one called The Lawyer. This is called The Lawyer, and I'll give you a little bit of a brief on what it's about. This is written by a woman named Vicky S. Her Instagram, oh wait, does she have an Instagram? Her Instagram is vickys.episodes if you want to go follow her on Instagram. So she wrote the story The Lawyer, and so here's a brief. She got a new job, her boss is the player, but will he be her savior from her past and find out her secret? It is so good. I'm currently rereading this one again. I'm on episode 2 out of 30. So it's so good. You get to customize your character, get to name your character. It is so good. Like, really good. I'm like another one is I'm rereading this one again. This is called Pregnant by My Student. Yep. And this is written by It's spelled N-O-O-B-L-O-O-P. Noob. She's her Instagram is at the Noob Lube on Insta. But yeah, she wrote the story Pregnant by My Student. So here's a little brief. You have sex with a bad boy who has a dark secret. Will you leave him for a hot billionaire crush? And you get to customize your character as well. I'm on episode 2 out of 35. It's really good. Like, I read this like last year. I was still reading it, but I had to reread it again because of when I got my new phone, I had to re-download the app and start basically all over again. But it is so good. Oh my god, so good. Okay. Oh, another one that I haven't started reading again, but it was called Adrenaline. They're on season 3. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, boy, was this one good. Whoo! Oh boy. This one was good. So here's a little brief. You run away with a gang to escape your engagement, but you didn't expect a forbidden love with a gang leader. It is, oh my god, you get to choose who you want to be with, so it's really good. So when I say you get to choose like, you know, you want to be with a woman or you want to be with a man. So it's LGBT. And it won an award. So 2017 SEPY award. Cool. But yeah, this was written by Ebony. So yeah, so this is the girl that wrote it. Her Instagram is evilrose.writers. like I said, this was really good. Like, really good. Oh, and I just love this app because it's made me fall in love with reading again. It's just, oh my god, so good. So good. Oh, I love it. Next one is My Sugar Baby Affair. Ooh, this one is good and juicy. Oh, so good. So, this is written by YP Writers. Let's see, does this one have an Instagram? They don't have Instagram, okay. But this is the account. But yeah, so here's a little brief. When becoming a sugar baby as a last resort, you never expected to develop feelings for an older married man. It is so good. I'm currently on episode 18 out of 18. There's more to come, but ooh, so good. Like, ooh, so good. All right, next one is, let's see, I'm reading a few. Another one I'm rereading is The Heat Inside. This is written by A. Roxy. I'm rereading this one. I have finished this one before. I'm on episode 11. So this one is, so here's a little brief. Recently, Kate's father died, but in a year, her mother remarries a young man who doesn't love her as a daughter. So, it's really good. So basically, in this story, the girl Kate falls in love with her mom's boyfriend. That's all I'm gonna say. If you download the app and read this story, you'll find out. So good. It is good. Next one. Ooh. Next one is, oh, this one, The Tutor. Oh my god, I'm rereading this and I forgot how good it is. It's so good. This is written by Jasmine D. Her Instagram is @jasmine.episodes if you want to check her out and all that. But yeah, she wrote The Tutor. So here's a little brief. You never dreamed of being with an older man. That is until your dad hires a stern but sexy personal tutor for you. It's good. I'm currently on episode 41 out of 41. There are more to come. So yeah, it's good. So that's a little bit of a brief on what the story is about, but like I said, when you read this story, it is, oh, it's so good. So good. Like, oof, really good. Oh, it just sucks you in. It's so good. Next one is The Lovely One. And this is written by Naomi. Spelled N-A-E-M-I. Yes, another way of spelling Naomi. Here's a little brief. This is, so being an exchange student sounds fun, right? Ha! Think again when you have to deal with hot guys and an abusive host mother. Choices matter and create characters. I'm on episode 5 out of 72, so I've got to get back up to where I was, which was about halfway through the story. It's good. Whew, is it good? Oh my god, it's really good. Highly recommend this story. It is, oh my god, it's so good. It's just, it's really good. I don't want to give too much away, like I said. That's why I'm reading a bit of a brief on what the story is about, but it is really good. Like, really good. Oof, I love that one. Can't wait to get back up to where I was. Another one is well, this one's called The Aftermath. I'm waiting for more episodes. Well, I'm waiting for them to finish number 16. But so far, really good. Like, really good. It's written by a lady named MB. That's just the user, that's just the initials of the user. The Instagram is Stories by Brie. So it's written by Michelle Brie. So she wrote the story Aftermath. It's good. Like, ooh, is it good? It's good. Another one is Marley Meets Josh. Oh, this is written by a girl named Tay. It's good. Oh my god, is it good? Oh, what's a high school couple to do when they're deeply in love, but all the odds are stacked against them? It's really good. I don't know if there's any more coming, but I'm on episode 22 at the moment. I'm just waiting for some more, and it is really good. Oh my god, good story, really good story. Another one is there's a new episode on another story that I'm currently reading called Scandalous. Really good, another good one. As you can see, I've got heaps. See, I've got heaps. So another favorite is Once Upon Yesteryears. This one, whoo, is it good? Ooh, it's good. It's written by Emily Ashton. Emma Ashton, I think. Yep. I'll have the name here. It's, yeah. One night with Dante has left you the proud mother of a baby girl. 5 years later, you find yourself back in his arms. It's good. Like, really good. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the picture. But yeah, that's a little brief on what the story's about, but it's really good. I've got so many. Another one is Attracted to My Teacher. That one, ooh, that one's good. It is good. That's written by Christine M. Here's a little brief. You just got a new hot teacher. As he becomes part of your life, things get messed up. Really good, that one. That's a good story. But yeah, there's so many. Another one that was really, really good because it's called Rebounding with Storm, and I've just finished I don't know if it's complete season 1, but I'm on episode 24. It's written by S.W. Rose. So here's a little brief. You finally dump your loser boyfriend and then meet a rock star with a bad boy annex. What happens next is up to you. And oh, is this one good? This one it's good. Ooh, really good. Love that one. But yeah, there are a few here. I've got quite a few. Another one is Changes. This is written by Kylie. Your best friend introduces you to Reed. Reed introduces you to epic love. Are you all in? I'm on episode 14. It's really good. Really good. Waiting for some more, but yeah, really, really good. Another one is Unconventional. UNCONVENTIONAL. Unconditional? Oh yeah, Unconditional. This one's really good. It's written by Love Superstar. And here's a little brief. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I gave my heart to you. I'm currently on episode 23, and it is, oh, it's so good. It's a good love story. It's really, really good. Most of these stories are love stories. Some are dramas. They've got different categories. So the categories are romance, drama, fantasy, mystery, comedy, action/adventure, and thriller slash horror. There's like thousands of stories on here. It's one of my favorite apps. I got highly addicted to this app last year. It is so good. Like when I say addicted, like I would be reading it constantly. I would stay up until probably about 3-4 o'clock in the morning still on this game. Still on this, just reading all the stories because they're just so good and getting sucked in. It's just, I love it. Love it. And all the writers that are on here are so talented and creative. Shout outs to them. But yeah, and also shout out to the people who came up with this idea, like who created this app in general are geniuses. I don't know who created it, but it is really good because it doesn't say on the App Store. So you can download it on the App Store. It's completely free. But yeah, it's really, 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 oh god, it's really good. Yeah, it doesn't say who created it. Just looking at it right now. But yeah, it's really good. The category is under games, role playing. It's really, really, it's really good. This is what it looks like when you download it. So you got all that, all the info and all that stuff. But yeah, it's a really, oh my god, it's so good. It's my favorite game, and I really wanted to just basically share it with you guys because I just love it. It's made me literally fall in love with reading again, and I just love it. It's so good. So if you haven't downloaded the app, it is free to download. If you want to read some really good stories, yeah, I highly recommend you guys download the app. It's really good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have downloaded the app stories, let me know what your favorite stories are in the comments below. Yeah, I gave you, yeah, and I have a ton more, like I said. Like, I've got, oh my god, like, oh, I had heaps, like, before I upgraded my phone. But yeah, I've got, like, oh my god, there's heaps on here at the moment. But yeah, it's really, really good. It's a good app. I love it. So yeah, let me know what your favorite stories are, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah. Bye bye guys. I love you.